Hello, welcome to my first saxophone video. So today we're going to go over the first 5 notes that you learned, and then we're going to do song number 12. So the first note that you ever learned was D, and the fingering for D, you put your thumb on the back key here, your left hand on 1, 2, 3, okay, one more time, 1, 2, 3, and then your right hand on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, okay? So if you press all of them down, and then when you actually put your mouth on the mouthpiece, you want to make sure that your bottom lip goes on the wooden part, the reed. So like that, and then your teeth, top teeth, go on the top part, this plastic part right here. Okay, so bottom lip on the reed, top teeth on the plastic part. So like this, like that, and then you close your mouth. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and play D. So play it with me. Let's hold it up for 4 counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if it's not coming out quite right, maybe it doesn't sound exactly the same. There could be something wrong with that note, or it could be your embouchure, which is the way that your mouth is set up on the mouthpiece. So just try it again. You might need a little bit more air. Just do your best. Okay. All right. Next note that you learned was C. So C, you let go of everything except for your middle finger right here. Even let go of this back thumb key. You're just gonna put your thumb right here on that dot. Okay. C is only your middle finger. Okay, right. This key right here. Remember, we skipped this one. Okay, we're not gonna use our pointer finger right now. Only middle finger. Here's C. Ready? Let's hold it out for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next note, B. So you switched. You went from middle finger to just your pointer finger right here. Okay, here's B. Hold it up for 4 counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then here's A. That was the next one you learned. Just pointer finger and middle finger. Nothing on the bottom. No right hand, okay? Just make sure your thumb is hooked through this hook on the back. All right, ready? Here's A. Hold it up for 4 counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the most recent note you learned was G. So this is my left hand on the top, pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger. No thumb, just your thumb rests on that little dot right there. No right hand, just loop your thumb through that hook on the back. All right, here's G. Okay, let's hold it out for 4 counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're gonna, right now, really quickly, we're gonna do G, A, B, C, D. And we're just gonna try super slow. Ready? Starting on G. Hold it out for 4 counts. And then A, B, C, and then D. Make sure you add 3 fingers down here, 3 fingers on the top, thumb on the back. Ready? Here's D. Okay, that's it. So try it by yourself. Just go straight. G, A, B, C, D. Let's do it really quickly together. Ready? Even I messed up a little bit. All right. So just try that a couple times over and over until you feel comfortable on it. Let's go ahead and look at number 12 really quick. So we're just gonna do it 1 time through. Make sure you do know there's a repeat at the end. When you practice it, play it twice through. Okay, all right. So the first note is on the middle line. I can tell just by looking at it, when I see that there's a note on that middle line, that that has to be B. Okay, because if you go back in your book, you look at the first couple notes you learned, you can match it, what you see on the page in number 12, to the first 5 notes that you learned. So it can't be D because D is on the second line from the top. It can't be C because C is a space note. There's no line going through C. Oh, but look, the third note I learned was B. It's on the middle line. So the song starts on B. Okay, so you have 2 B's in a row. B, B. Let me see, it gets lower on the lines, which means it's gotta be A. It's on that next space right below that middle line. Okay, so B, B, A, and then look, it went down one more time to the lowest note you know so far, G, G, G. All right, so let's look at the fingering. We do B, B, A, G, G, G. I'll give you a side view. Ready? B, B, A, G, G, G. No thumb. Remember, thumb is just on that little back dot. No right hand. Just hanging out on that hook. Okay, all right, ready? Let's try the first two measures. Okay, one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. All right, now let's do the next measure. Okay, so we can tell it's on the second line from the top. That looks pretty high up on the lines. It looks like probably the highest note you've learned so far, which would be D. So D, D, and then we can tell it gets lower on the lines, next space below. That has to be C, C, and then let's just add in that last measure. Okay, last measure, again, I see a note on the middle line, that's gotta be B, okay? B, go down to A, go down to G. Okay, so let's start with that first part. We know it's D, D, C, C, and then B, A, G. Let's try it. Here's D, D, C, C. One more time, D, D, C, C, ready? And now let's do B, A, G, ready? Okay, I'm gonna put the whole song together. If you need to do any individual part of that one more time, feel free to do that. I'm gonna go all the way from measure 1 to measure 4. No repeat for now, okay, for time's sake. All right, ready? Here is measure 1, starting on B. And that's it. Okay, so rewind a couple times, play that as many times as you need to feel comfortable on it. And then hopefully I'll have a video for number 14 up pretty soon. Let me know if you have any questions, and I can't wait to hear it. All right, thank you.